So on your Subaru, you're gonna come in here, open up the glove box. You'll remove this little strut here. I used pliers, I kind of set this up for me already. I used a needle nose pliers to get this prepped. That'll pop off. And then each of these sides here just kind of pulls in. And then you should be able to push this down. Back there is where your filter is. And there's 4 clips, 1, 2, 3, 4. Already loosened them up. Let me get the final one out of there. There we go. And then you can see, if you have the manufacturer's filter in there, the arrows point up, whereas this filter, that's pretty dirty, this filter points down. So the airflow on the Subaru goes down. The manufacturer's filters have arrows that point up. So that is the correct direction.